with the installation, just follow me from the beginning. Even though if you install the NCL, just remove it and start from the beginning. So it will be much easier. So we can start from the fresh. So the first thing you need to check whether you guys have the NCL installed or not. Here you can type NCL dash then capital V, not the simple V. You have to type NCL then space dash capital V. This command is used to check the NCL version. If you already installed the NCL, you can check the version. Which version you are using? The version of the NCL. If you didn't install the NCL on your PC, it will give you some error like this. So command NCL not found, but can be installed with sudo apt install NCL Nacr. But you shouldn't use that command. We can install NCL using that command, but the problem is you should not use this one. It's because at the top, whenever you type NCL script, in the beginning you are importing some two different libraries. When you try to import those two libraries, you will get an issue like those two libraries. When you install using this method, these guys are installing NCL on a completely different location. So by default, NCL is referring this one. That's why they mentioned in downloading, we have to set up where this file is located. So when you go to the download, we are trying to install from precompiled like this. In here, we are going to install from here, Windows 10 and the Linux bash. So here they mention like at the beginning you need to install these three packages. When you at the beginning when you try to install the NCL first, you need to install these two libraries. So they mention. So first thing is we need to enable the Linux. So that means we have to go to the Microsoft install and install Ubuntu. After that, we need to install these four libraries before installing the NCA, before doing anything. So then we have to download the NCA. That's what I am showing you guys. You can go to this link and download the exact version for the installation. Then you have to use, the first thing you need to do is making a directory. You are making this directory inside the system file. Then you are copying that downloaded file, the copy in the content, all the content from that download file to that directory. That's what this command is. Then you have to set up these environmental variables. In here, they are referring, whenever you type NCL, like this command, whenever you type in your console, whenever you type, in here you can see whenever you type, not this one, the Ubuntu terminal, whenever you type NCL at the beginning, you have to refer this environment. So you have to refer this path. Whenever someone types NCL in user path, you have to go to this directory. That directory is user local NCL 6.6.2. So that's where all the necessary files for the NCL is residing. So whenever you try to install NCL from this command, this one, sudo apt install NCL Nacr is installing NCL not in this directory. So whenever NCL by default codes, when you are trying to run the default codes, just if you take, let's take one example. Whenever you try to So this one is for the master displaying. If you need to download and display some master data, you can use one command like this. So this will be your NCL script. So here at the top, they will import one thing. They will import it. So this one. So here you can see they are loading Nacr load libraries this file. So whenever you run this code, they are looking for this file. So this file should be in here. Here you can see at the beginning Nacr root. So that means system is looking for this location. So that's why we are setting up when we are trying to install, we set up that location in that configuration file. Let me go there and show you again. Windows 10. So here we are setting that path. See, path in Nacr root. So it should be in this location. But the problem is when you use this command, that the other command, this one, to install the NCL, this one is installing NCL under different location. But in your configuration file, you mention your NCL installation is here. So it's unable to locate these libraries. That's why sometimes when you draw, when you run a script in NCL and you will get something like the image that we put yesterday in the group, like this one. This is the issue. So you can see a color bar over here, but there's no any colors in the map. But actually, this image should be look like this. It should show us like this. So here we have the contour map, and then we should get a plot with the colors. See, but the problem is you will get a picture like this. Is because if you install NCL using this command, that's why I said you if you install NCL using this command, it will never work. You will face this issue in the future. Whenever you try to create a plot, it will comes up like this.
Sorry, if we install configuration that way, if we use NCL minus B,
Yeah,
will it show?
it will show. It will show you the NCL version is 6.6.2. It will show. So, but the problem is the issue with these maps will be there. It's because you are downloading these scripts on the website. No, in the website they refer in the default location. But if you install using that command, it will never comes up. That's why, because NCL, if they refer that command, they will clearly mention you can install NCL using that command. But in their website, they didn't mention about that thing anywhere. So you can install NCL using this command. They didn't mention anywhere in the website. So you have to follow the methods like this method, like they have mentioned in the website. Whenever you follow those steps, after you installing the NCL, then those codes will work perfectly without any issue. So that's why I'm asking you guys to not to install NCL using this command. So if you guys see after you type in this one, if you guys see like NCL, then it will show the version. If you see something like this, you guys have installed the NCL. But I don't know whether how you install the NCL. The way method that I am going to teach or that thing. You type NCL Nacr or something. So it's better to remove that NCL. So to remove that NCL, if you install using Nacr that command, you guys can use let's see. So you can remove that version of NCL using this command. If you install the NCL using sudo apt get NCL Nacr, you have to remove that version of NCL using this command. Just copy this one. I will put it again in the group. So you guys can copy that one and put it in your terminal. Paste it in here. Okay. You can send it. So you guys can copy this code and paste here and press enter. Then it will ask you a password and give the password. So if you guys have installed NCL using that version, it will completely remove that version of NCL. So everyone can follow me. So we can start from the beginning, the installation of the NCL from the beginning. Now, whether you have installed it correctly or not, just follow the steps.
So let's remove that.
Yeah, just remove the NCL. So you guys can remove. Yeah, just remove that version completely. So we can all of us can start from the beginning. So it will be easy.
Yeah. So you just remove it.
Yeah, remove everything from the beginning and we will start from the beginning. Otherwise, it will take some time and it will waste the time.
Yeah.
Just remove. Just remove. Because you need to know if someday you format your PC, you have to install it from the beginning by yourself. And make some notes. You can use Word or something. So the first command is NCLB to check the NCL version. And then if you have already installed, just remove. First thing is we need to remove the NCL in Kanji. If you install using that one. Now install it the correct one. Oh, so that part you have the correct thing. If you guys install it in this command, then if you have NCLB, you didn't see any output like this. That means you have used that sudo everyday get install NCL inside. But after removing this one, you see this path is available. That means you install using both ways. So using the both ways, we are installing this on pencil. So that you change the correct one. Yeah, you install the correct one. But after you removing and then here after you type NCL dash B, you will see something. So because you didn't use that method, that's why you see this one, because you didn't that method. Sudo apt get install NCL and can't method to install later. It's because you if this command only remove the NCL if you install using that command. Sudo apt get install NCL. Because you install NCL using that command. Yesterday you complete down the method that I should. That's why, because here we can see there's no removing of if you have that MKT there, and you can install that, you have to bring that in. If you have one, it's not complete. So, this one is so sometimes that's why I'm switching from you can try to do it again. So after doing this method, after also you see like NCL slash dash capital V, if the version appears after that, that means you have NCL correctly installed. Sometimes it is not correctly installed, we cannot say, but there is a file in this directory cd slash user the font size. Yes. So okay, if you guys remove that version of NCL using this one, the next thing is we have to check is there any folder under here.
Now, why you are continuing? Because we are used that way command to remove.
We remove the NCL if you we just remove the NCL if you do like sudo npt get install then the NCL in card. If you install using this method, that NCL will be removed using that command that I will send you to the group.
Okay.
But if you follow that steps like mkdir and copy the contents from the location, after you type like the remove command for this one,
Yes.
and then you can try to type like NCL -b. Even after you removing this thing, you find like your console going output like this.
Yes.
That means there's a file under the directory slash local. This one should be user local NCL 6.6.2. So you can check there will be a file inside this directory. That's why it was in this one. So we need to remove that directory first. If you are trying to install it from the beginning, we have to remove that directory also.
It's not the first one I've got this result.
Yeah. If something I see the result after typing a sudo apt get remove command, after that you type NCLB, even after that thing you see this one, that means you have NCL under this directory. So now you need to remove this one.
Okay.
Because it's from the previously installed one. Because we are going to install it from the beginning now.
So how to remove it?
So to remove that thing, you can use this command. Because it's a folder. Whenever you try to remove a folder, you have to type rf, then your directory. So the directory will be this one, user local NCA. So you have to type this command. But you have to type it under sudo, otherwise it will give you issue. So you have to use this command to remove that one. I will send it to the group. So you have to type this command in your console. So it will remove that folder from there. Everything from that folder from there. So you have to go copy that command and paste it in here. So for me, I don't have that folder over there. That's why it's showing me like this.
Okay, so let us do first. Those who are using mine is something one. I don't know if it gives me this here. So
Just remove the capitalization. You have to type simple. No, the word. Just type is simple.
SC.
Simple. At the beginning, you have to, when you type it as you have to type simple list. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Okay, now you guys can type NCLB and you will get an error. That be.
Don't search by directly.
Now you will get that error. See? That means there's no unified in that directory.
Yes.
So now we have to copy all the content into that directory. So now we can start from the beginning. First thing, you need to download that file which I have sent into the group. Maybe you already downloaded it yesterday. So you have to copy this file into somewhere that the path name is not that much long. So I will go to PC. So I will copy this one to my C drive. If you guys have a separate partition, you can copy it into a separate partition or you can paste it over the C. So for everyone guys easy, I will paste it into the C. Come, the first thing, you have to copy this file into your C. Yeah. It's okay. You can put. I am saying like you can put everywhere in that. You can put that file inside. Even you have portable hard drive, even D under new folder or something is okay.
But when I see the code, I don't completely optimize the code can just come in until the version.
No, whenever you use that thing, it's because the next thing we are going to do is making that directory. First, we need to make that directory under user local NCL 6.6. First, we are making that folder. We are just creating a folder in that thing. Like if we need to create a folder in D, your research topic and my collected data, you have in typically we use in Windows, we right click and create new folder. But in Windows, we have in Linux, we have to type that command whenever we need to create a folder. So then we are using this command to copy this file. If you didn't specify your path, then you have to type the path of this file. You have to type the entire file. If you this file is under the D info folder or something under that, then you have to type D/new folder/this. Then it will identify where this file is and it will extract that file under this. In here we mention C. That C means copy. So we have to, this one means extract. We have to extract this file and then copy in the physical directory. That's what we are doing. So if you find this node there, then you have to completely specify the path. After my dash except space, then you have to specify your complete path. Where is this file is located? So then we have to So then we have to, you guys can first go to the directory user local and check because there's a directory named user. So whenever you change in the directories in like when you are changing, like you are moving from one folder to another folder in Windows, we are just clicking. But whenever we need to change the folders, we have to use CD command. CD means change directory. That's what we type CD. So now we are going to check under this directory whether there is a file or not. If we need to make a directory, we type mkdir. But right now we are going to check in users under local. No, you can use single slash. You don't need to type double slash. Single slash is now. Local and you can press enter. So now what you have done is from the root directory you have changed into where there's a two in at the beginning you is in the Windows is like this. You are opening this window and now you need to go to C drive or something. Okay, just imagine you need to go to a folder inside D new folder or something. But in Windows, we just double click C and whenever the folder name. But in Linux, we have to specify this path. That's what we do. So now we are under user local folder. So when you type ls, it will show you all the folders under that directory. So you can see now we don't have anything named NCL or something in there. So now we need to make a directory in there to copy the setup files to this directory. So now you guys can copy this command mkdir user local NCL 6.6.2. So you can copy this one. I will paste it in the widget also. So you can use this command and paste it in here. So after entering, it will give you error permission denied. Permission denied means you cannot write in this directory. That means you cannot create any file in directory. Whenever you see permission denied in NCL, no, not NCL, in Ubuntu, you can type sudo at the beginning. Then sudo mkdir and enter. So now that issue is gone. So after you can type ls. Now you see a folder named NCL 6.6.2. So you can see at the beginning we only have this folder. But right now we have NCL 6.6.2. Okay, everyone created the folder. After creating the folder, you can type again LS. So now you can see there are some documents. So now we need to copy all the contents from there to this folder. That's why we're using like that XF, then the folder name, under C, under dash C, then this file. That will copy all the files in that downloaded file and unzip that file and copy all the content into this folder. So after doing that, we have to set up that variable path. Whenever we type NCL, that thing need to come inside this folder. So I think all of you guys are following. Anyone have faced any issues during this following these steps? I think you already created NCL folder. So now you can CD and go inside this folder, NCL 6.6.2. So you can go this folder inside of this folder and type LS. Now we don't have anything inside that folder. You can type CD NCL 6.6.2 and type LS. So now we don't have any files under that folder. That means you need to remove that file. I also if you install that file, you need to remove. We see a something. Last time is variable path, like root in country root. So you didn't specify that path, you configure right? And then you install the NCL using that. So we have two different locations. The NCL is only two different locations. Whenever something is where to start, the other thing is forward. So we need to install the both versions. That's what I'm doing. So you can so if you guys see typing analysis, if you see some files are available like these folders are shown, then you didn't remove that file. If you see some folders inside that location, then you have to remove that folder again. Now make it now after the state, the last command. If you see you are not clear that is for the actually, yeah, such like and then started here and still here. So, yeah, so in right now, you'll find an NCL don't now put here. I said, that's why it was this last command. I became my training, so I can fly if anyone. Okay, this location now is in your mind. Whenever you type a command, it will affect inside this directory. Because now you are inside the user local NCL 6.6.2. Whenever the command that you run here, it will affect inside this directory. Okay. So if you need to copy something, you have to keep it in your mind you are in this directory. Yes. So that's why. Previously we didn't specify the part of that installation path. So if you while you are inside this path, you need to now we need to copy the content and you have to memorize where you put this file. So now we are going to copy all the contents from the downloaded file from the NCL website inside into this folder. Because right now we see there's no any folders inside our directory named NCL 6.6.2. So we have to use this command to copy all the contents. In this command, what we are doing is tar means here you have to type at the beginning you have to type sudo because we have to copy all the contents with the administrative privilege. Then tar means unzip it. Like WinRAR in a zip file, how we can extract in the Windows? Right click, then extract. But in Linux, we have to use a command to extract. That command is tar. So then these are the permissions that we are using. Then the file name, the location of the file that we are going to extract. So then you have to keep in your mind, right now you are in the NCL 6.6.2. Then you have to specify the complete path for this folder. Whenever you specify in the path, you have to type mnt. That means mount directory. Then where I copy my file is C. Inside C, my file is in there. So if you guys have a file in a different directory, you have to type mnt, then your drive name after the folder. After you have type slash folder. If you have the data file is inside the folder or something, you have to use the complete path. There is this file.
Okay, so now the mount and FC is different from one to another.
Yeah. Mount means you have to go to this PC. It's just like this PC. Mount means it's just like this PC. Whenever you type this PC, if you go to here, you see all the drives you have. Like C, D, if you have more drives, E, F like this. But right now we have two drives in this PC. So we have C and D. If my file is in D, here I have type mnt then D. If your file is in C, mnt C. Then whenever if your file is not inside that directory, like just imagine my file is not here. It's not here. It's inside a new folder, something named IMSA or something. Just let me copy this one, IMSA. So I copy this folder inside that file inside there. So now my file is under, here you can see C IMSA. So my file is under C IMSA folder. So in the command, I have to make a change. C slash IMSA. Here it should be simple. The same name. Then C. It's because I am completely specifying my file name. Where is my file is? This file. Data file. So it's okay. You guys can say copy this file folder into any location. It's okay. But you have to give the complete path for this folder. I think you guys got my point.
Yeah.
Then after that space, that capital C means you have to extract this file and copy. This command means copy. Copy into this folder. Whatever the file inside this file that we mentioned, just extract it and copy all the contents into the folder named user local NCL 6.6.2. So you guys have changed this letter. If this one is capital C, you have to give it like capitals. Because those are the default command. You don't need to create this one. If you copy NCL this tar file, that means this file. If your file is just say it's in the C, it's okay. You cannot. You don't need to put IMSA. So then you have to copy this exact file name also. This exact file name. In here I have my file name is ENUI tar-3. Then there are the begin bracket 1. Your file might name might change. So it's better to copy this file name also. Copy this file name and paste after IMSA NCL. Then your file name .gz.
So it's like this. It's
It's fine. Because whatever the thing we need to copy all the things to the system. So here we creating it's just like real space inside the system. So if you guys have space in here, just remove because you cannot have spaces. So if you, I think if you also have space, just remove this. If you guys have a space with this name, otherwise it will give you error.
So now you're not sure what that we did that. We created it and we for that.
Yeah.
Then this one that we downloaded.
It's the setup that we have downloaded. So we have to extract everything inside the folder into the directory that we must see. That's what we do. So if you guys are done with that, you can copy this code. You can copy this code and put it in here. So here is mentioning like a bracket. Issue with the bracket. So if it shows the issue with the bracket, I think it's better to rename my folder. I will rename this one. I will rename the file name. So it will give me. Otherwise, you have to use quotation marks. I will make the change into my file.
If I was excited, right at the screen, look, the answer of file here. And put it in so I'm sure. So
it will take some time after you type command directory, it will extract and keep like yeah. So you can type ls and now you can see there are some folders inside that I write. That means I have copied all the contents from that set of file inside to that folder. So after writing that, if you type ls, you see that means those are the files that we need. All the files that we need to run the system in our base. So here you can see if we go to a sample script in NCL, here we have lib. That means the directory of the NCL and then lib. So you can see there's a directory name here. So that means that file that we are referring is inside here. So you guys can check. You can go to CD and there, so we can see this script. So when we type CD lib inside and then we type ls, there are several files. In here we have ncard. So the next thing is ncard. So that thing is also there. So that's why I am saying you cannot use that command to run NCL. It will give you issues. So now we have a folder name ncard and other several files that need to run the NCL. You don't need to do this. It's just checking inside the folders. You don't need to do this one every time you are doing installing the NCL. Just to check. So whenever now we are inside the link, just imagine you need to go back into the folder. Now we need to go back into the NCL 6.6 folder. So what's the command we have used? In Ubuntu, whenever we need to go back one folder back, we have to use cd space /. So see, now we are from lib, we go back into the NCL 6.6. So whenever you need to go back, one step back in NCL in Ubuntu systems or Nacr systems, you have to use cd space /.
So, yung things ay so basically is here. Okay.
So I think you will without this right? So you have these two different folders inside. That means you have copy. So whenever you need to go back into the home, you have to type CD and enter. So now you are in the home directory. Now you need to go to the home directory to make the configuration file. So you have to type CD and go back into the home directory. Here you can see this icon. If you see this icon, that means you are inside the root directory.
So now if you want which directory now
And go back to the root directory, the main directory. You should be inside the folder. You have to go back into the home directory. Just type C, then you will see this one and the dollar.
yes.
Without any folder name, you will see this sign and the dollar mark and then this line.
Go back with something from here, of course. Yes. So through this. It's fine. Let's see. It's not I will never that so yes. And that's why I guess if you take simple answer. Actually, this one, I just made for a long time. I just made simple answer. Yeah. So you need to go there. It's like, that's why I said, it was already ending that. It's that result is right. Also, this is really concerned for the therapy, and the this is not like there's a lot of where I see how that one. This is a good question. So now, where is the doubt? Right, so that. We are here, let's see, complex. Now, don't do so much. Products there. Yeah. Yes, yeah, yeah, no, you know, it's these guys are getting yeah, it should be same. Because we completely everything from that same thing in that corner. So you got one and the church one, church is also now they can see without yes, people that you are like special. So it's not you see this one was the capacity to create to create in this for this is the so we have now this side this data because it's this one better so we are installing a book which is also ready for actually so we have no one has taken the time. So yes, for location, the location of you are for the so you need to mass, you want to go to see, then you go to see, and you have this one, and see this one. So, the thing will be qualify this one, and see, for this one before that. This one, Lord, then from there,
Type C here at the center. So you will see part is just like this. You should be into the pass. What the next is set up in the environmental variable. That means the in the script, in this scripts you can see there is the environment name environment. So now we need to set system in our system configuration. So whenever we specify NCL, instead of typing the entire bar, use the number NCL 626.2. Then we can use this small bar to access this one. So now we need to configure this one inside our configuration. So to do that, we have to go back into the home directory. So you all need to be in the home directory, not inside the folder. So you have to go here. To go there, you can type just CD without any space specification. To go a step back, you have to type space 2 dots. To go to the root directory, you can just type CD. After going there, now you have to check. You can open like sudo. To open the configuration file, you can type sudo nano. Nano mean a text editor. Open this file inside the text editor. So then you can type dot profile. Sudo nano profile. I will copy this command also.
The name of this one is
To make the configuration file, to make in the configuration file. So I will send you this one also. Now you need to use that file is to make the configuration files, because whenever you see NCL script, at the beginning we are loading some script already there. In there we are referring NCL rules and N.C.L rules. So we need to specify this board file part in our configuration file. Right now we are going to do that. So now we have to go back into there, and whenever you type sudo nano profile and enter, you can type enter after this. Press enter. Then it will ask for your password, and you will see a file like this. This is your configuration file. You cannot change this file if you are not in the root directory. If you are inside the different folder, you will get an empty file. So this file is inside the root directory. To open this one, you have to go back into your root directory. You cannot do it in a separate folder while you are inside the different folder. So that's why I ask you to go for type C to go back into the root directory. So I think you all get this one. So if someone didn't get that thing, that means they are not in the root directory. Okay, now we need to copy that two lines. In that word point, there are two lines. You need to copy that two lines. These two lines. Export this one. You need to copy these two lines. Here you can see we are specifying the in that what you see, this one is exactly in the NCL script. So you can see here they mentioned also the same thing. The same thing. So now we need to copy those two lines and paste. So I will send this one into the group. Okay. Now you guys need to copy that one, those two lines, and you can use your cursor, your up and down arrows to go up and down inside this one. See? Here you need to keep in your mind, when you pasting these two lines, you have to go back and hit two enter or one enter and then paste your two lines by right clicking. You guys can put these two lines in anywhere. You can't put these two lines anywhere. You need to put these two lines at the top and the bottom of it. At the bottom of it. Whenever you put these two lines inside somewhere, your system might be crashed. Because this is a configuration. This point need to be in the same exact format without being modified. When you have to do a configuration, your system might be crashed. So now you need to paste those two lines. You don't need to do anything. Copy the two lines and paste it here. Sometimes you will see, because previously you guys have installed that thing. What we only do is like we install that thing and then we remove the folder, but we didn't modify the configuration. So you will see, if you already installed the NCL previously, you will see two lines in there. So the names and things are the same. So okay. Okay. Okay, if you guys copy this time, then you can control plus. Oh, this one.
Everyone is opposite of Nacr, you know, but I am thinking that Nacr has done a lot of things for Pakistan. But they are still there.
So now it is after you put in those two lines, you need to press Control plus O. Control plus O is equal to Control plus S in Windows. We press Control plus S to save. So in Linux, we use Control plus O to save. So you have to hit Control plus O in your keyboard. Control plus O. CTRL. Yeah, Control plus O.
You know, in 2000,
Yes, it will ask you. Then you need to write the file.
1 kilometer road I passed.
You will see a message like that in the bottom, and then you have to hit enter. After you hit enter, you will see road and to like this.
So whose money is going on where?
Control plus O
People
is equal to control plus S in Windows.
He's just taking our
It's
money.
okay. It's because
And she will tell I did this telling that Yamaha is to buy your money in that. We don't need to do that. We have to.
yeah, then enter. Then you have saved the modification. Now you need to exit from this text editor. To exit from the text editor, you can use Control plus X. Because here they mention whenever you need to exit, you have to press X. They mention. So you can type Control X. Okay, now you need to put, you make a modification into your profile. Now you need to apply that modification into the system. To apply that thing, you can set like SOURCE, source is equal to dot profile. Okay, now you have set the modified file as your source file. So now we can check whether we assign that NCRG root correctly. Push. That thing is like I said you that the profile means the configuration file in your Linux. So you made the modification into your configuration file, but right now you are using the Windows terminal. So whenever you need the modification and you need to apply that thing, you need to set source. That means we are going to apply the modification that we did. So now we need to check whether we assign that source path correctly. So to check that, we can type echo, then you guys can type this one, the NCRG root. So I will copy this one and paste it to you, so it will be easy. So now you will see a path name like this. I will send this one also into the group. So after you type echo means you need to print whatever this what is this path. We are printing this path. So that path is user local NCL 6.6.2. That means the folder that we make at the beginning. So now system knows whenever I put like NCRG root in somewhere, I am asking him to go inside into this folder. Check whatever the file in there. So after that, you can type NCL check version command, capital V. So if you guys install the missing libraries previously in your Ubuntu, you will see your NCL 6.6.2 is appearing without anything. But if you didn't install, here we are getting an issue with error while coding a shared library libfortran SO13. That means we are missing libfortran library to run this one, run background. So now we need to install libfortran 3. Some guys will never get this issue because you have previously installed all the necessary files to get this one. Last time you installed like setting that server file and this is the G++6 and install libfortran 3. So you will never get this issue.
Hey, I have that. I have it.
So you also getting that issue. So that means you did install the libfortran 3. So to install libfortran 3, in their website they are saying like you have to use this command. But the problem is whenever you try to use this command inside your terminal, they will give so whenever you try to run this one, it says like unable to locate package CSA. That means this library is being told and whenever the Ubuntu guys are updating their servers, they remove the older file. So now this file is not in their server. To download that exact file, to run NCL, we need to have that exact file. So now we have to get that thing from a separate location. So that's why we are following these steps. So
Send it. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, for those who have put 10 with 6.62,
Yeah.
not that necessary.
Yeah. For those guys, they can wait. Because, yeah, they can wait. You don't need to follow this one. Whenever someone gets the error like important SO3, those guys need to follow these systems. Because right now the issue is your important level 3 is not there. No, it's okay. So you also have to point it out. But you also have to.
Yes, then.
And then that fighting right don't fight it. Then you have so we can take control plus go. Yeah, in high school. You are putting the point inside another. Yes, it doesn't get you say it's equal. Positively. You need to open the point whatever is and you have paste those two lines at the bottom.
So that's on the outside, yesterday it shows where you copy. When you on the NCL, just try to press it.
Yeah, you have to install these 3 commands.
On the NCL.
I will put the link and the screenshot also. So now you need to install these the 4 libraries.
Wait. On the NCL, what we get it? On the NCL.
I just put the link.
I know. That's NCL. That's the link. That's right. Then you have to depend on that link where to. That's the you can see what
So you need to install these 4 libraries. But the first thing is very important and the registry inside for the visualization.
on the NCL. How do you reach this page?
You have to go to download. You have to go to download, NCL download. Then you have to go NCL download. Then you have to go to Subsystem for Linux. Here installing NCL from precompiled binaries. Then you have to go.
Okay, it's not this number.
So install NCL from the precompiled libraries. Then you have to go for Windows 10 Linux Bash. This one. After you need to go inside here. Windows Subsystem for Linux. Then you will see at the top.
Go down. Yes.
Okay, now we need to install these files, but the problem is when you try to install this one, it's not available in the Windows server, Linux Ubuntu server. So we need to do some tricks. So that thing we need to install. That's why we're using these commands to install that one. These two commands are for to change in that server, because in the default Ubuntu servers we cannot find the libfortran 3, the package that we need. So yeah, now we need to install this file. So you can use this one to add that server. In this Ubuntu file main universe, in that server we have that file. So we need to add that one into our source list. So you guys can copy this command. I will send it in the group. You can copy this command and put it inside there and hit enter. After you copy it and hit enter, it will say like this directory is added into your source list. Sometimes you might get error, because if you type the same command, if I type it again, it will add again the same command into the source file. So now this one is added twice to my source list. So whenever after you added, you need to update sudo apt get update. So now it's updating the Ubuntu from the server. So sometimes you might get an error at the end. If you have 2 lines. Did you type sudo apt update? After this one. It's okay, it's because I didn't update but the Ubuntu was in there. That's why it's not
This one is for the contact. You'll see.
So it's okay. So after that, it will appear like this. After applying the update, after apply that command once, you need to apply the update. Sudo apt update. So first you need to copy this line. Only once you need to paste. You don't need to paste these 2 lines twice and only just one time is enough. So whenever you get the error like this site error, you can copy the other command in the word file I said. If you get the issue with the sign key, you can copy this one. Sudo apt key. There's another command named sudo apt key. You can copy that one and paste it. Yeah. Okay. If you get the error, then you can paste one. Inside the book and hit enter. Yeah. So it says it's important. Now let's start to do a video update. So now it's updated. Then go back.
So I mean, like,
Okay, now it's okay. It's just a word. So now we need to install G plus plus. Because there will be G plus plus. So you are saying that's why I asked.
no, there is
Whenever what is the
yes.
minus. Here whatever we like there is one after specific point. It is right. So it is point. So now you have to go inside this one. There is what they have analytics guys inside there. You go if you go over this one. Who go? Is there point? Number one. No, actually, no. Where is one?
Yeah.
You added the same freedom. So now we need to deal with two types of people. Yes. Now we commit those two lines. We only need one. We have been only need one. There. Now.
Yes.
Okay, you guys can see errors. After running the FPT update, are you receiving any errors at the end? Check whether you are getting any errors at the end. If not, you can copy the next command. Next command will be sudo apt get install g++ 6 dash minus. So the next command is this one. So you can paste it here and hit enter. So now we are trying to install the package name g++ -6. So it's asking to if we need to download 161 MB data. So we need to type y and hit enter.
Okay.
So now it will take some time to download all the necessary files and process that g++ is required. It will open Okay, while this file is downloading, you can just as can you send it to Jonas? I'm using the Jonas. You Jonas WeChat. Yeah. So no installation can be Yeah, you don't have anything, you are not available, no public access. So you need to access activation that folder here. This one. You get your key and simply open this line. So now we will have close messages. We will have close messages and now Okay, while that thing installing, you guys can scan this QR code. It's not my. No, it is just now because meeting you are getting issue. Follow me,
Working out. Who provided this? Just a second.
That's
Yeah, it's 26 and referring to yes, now like this. Okay, we have to decide
Because I'm sure you have.
So, okay, if you guys can exit, we can go ahead. So, if you guys install G++6, then we can go ahead. If you guys getting error, just let me know.
What next step?
Next step is to install the rest of the files. You can follow up this word. Next, you have to install Leforton 3.
Yes. And then it's we
No, there is something named set source. There should be something named set source. I have deleted that thing accidentally. So you have to use this one, sudo update alternative. After this ++ thing, you have to use Subsystem and then this one. No education can get me to the discussion. This one means there's no any update can be this. Here you are getting the error. Here you are getting this public here. Public. So if you are getting that public key error, you have to this command. You have to copy this one and run it.
That's
So if you direct to and after that you can run update. Once you are doing, first you have to complete then update. After that, after that you have to after those steps finish, just type NCL. Then you will get another error. This one more something. Yeah, after just follow those steps. Sudo install G++, then go to update. So now you are doing is 1 0 and go to the border. So that's error. That's what we first part. Yeah. The missing library is not down. Then you have now we can come to the after that,
yes, yes.
so this one and after that you can see she went and now we can type in
yeah, so this is on the They don't have this kind I saw some online. I will buy it. They remove the gas. The one that they are putting they put check give the proper like you know yeah. Like get out in ice yes, because of the that yeah, that is bad. Always problems, you know, I because one can that's what I was afraid. Yeah, that's the point. Because sometimes it's considered I used to like I used I still don't know but it's that is for me. And you now trying to install the other one. I think it there right.
Yeah, okay. After installing this one, until this one you can install. After installing Fortran 3, you will get another issue. Let me do mine because I didn't update. After this one, you need to set to G++6. So 1, 2, 3. So now it's okay. Then I have to install Fortran 3. So this will download again some additional files. So okay, now if I type NCL-V, it's appearing. But some guys may get some error. So SO1 kind error. So you have to run this line. If you get some SO1 error, you have to type this line, download this file. So you have to use this line. Yeah, you have to use this line, and after that, you have to download this one. So you have to download this one. It will download the file. After that, you have to run this one. Sudo dpkg. Now you guys can type NCL-V and it will pop up the NCL version without any key. Yeah, 6.6.2. Now you guys will see this.
So then if we go to we get the arrow, then you go to the PK.
Now, then we have to run the wget and then we have to install that get file. That wget, if you attend the Kanava session, she already told you about wget. That command is used to download the file from the website. We can use anything to download. So we are accessing that URL, that file. We are downloading. So now we have to install that downloaded file. So here you can see the file name, same. So the file name is this one. So we need to put this file name and install. That's what we are doing. So dpkgi means install the file and then the file name. Yeah, sometimes you are getting errors when you type NCL, you get errors something for SO1 or something. Okay, I think you all see this one. If you now you all should see this one. Yeah. Is screen getting from here? Okay, okay, now you can type NCL. Whenever we need to use NCL, we like grats. In grats, whenever we need to use grats in interactive mode, we type grats. Then the interface for grats is coming up. So whenever we using NCL, we need to type NCL and hit enter. So it will appear like this. NCL version and the NCL command keyboard. So to exit from this one, you can type exit and press enter. Okay, now we have installed the NCL. Now we can go ahead with the next thing. The next thing is like now we have NCL in our PC, but the problem is now we need to have let me join my PC. Presentation and the rest of the stuff is in my PC.
But we have to do the exit after everything. So
Yeah, whenever you go get inside into the NCL interactive mode, whenever you need to get exit, whenever you need to get out from this one, you can type exit or you can press Control C. Whenever you are inside, this one is the NCL in interactive. Whenever the code you run the code in here, whenever you run the code, guys, you can type like a equal 10. So we create a variable name 10, then we can like try to print this one. So print A. So it will give you the output. Like now we are in the interactive. You can run NCL commands and do whatever thing you want.
okay,
So this is the interactive mode, not running a script. When you are running a script, you have to use NCL then the script. When you are running a script. But this mode is interactive. Before you run the complete process, you can try line by line whether it's working or not. Whenever you need to exit from this one, you can hit Control C, or you can just type Control X, or you can type exit. Just type exit and hit enter. Okay, now we have set up the NCL. Now the next thing is we need to set up our code editor. So the next thing is to setting up the code editor. So here I am going to use, I think how many of you guys have code in NCL before? How many of you guys use NCL? No one? How many of you guys have tried to use NCL before? No one.
I tried, but I have to teach just.
So whenever we are trying to use the script, we have to make our own script, or we can download the script from the internet and do the modification. But the problem is, just imagine typing a script, we can use Notepad or something, whatever we need. But the problem is we need to type everything like A equal this one, and then the print command is like print, and print var summary is print var summary. We need to memorize everything because in NCL we cannot make even print var summary or print var summary. We can should be capital. So if we type B simple and is simple, it will never have that term. So now we need to set up our code editor. For this one, I will use Sublime Text. So you guys can go ahead and download it using the FileCR website. Go to FileCR. You can type filecr.com. So here you can find a lot of softwares. For this specific purpose, we are going to use Sublime Text Editor. There's a text editor called Sublime, like Notepad++. So this is the one that we are going to use. I will send this command. You guys need to download this one. From there, you need to download. This is now we are setting up the code editor. So you have to download. You have to download this one, the code editor. So I will download that one also. And I will send you the zip file.
So what are we trying to do
Now we are trying to, we have NCL installed, but in NCL we can do like interactive mode also we can use, and there's another mode called scripting mode. If you need to run a script, we have to make the script first. To do the scripting part, we should have a code editor. Like for this one, you can use Visual Studio Code, VS Code in Notepad++, you see even Notepad or any other software. But there's another option. But right now, whenever you trying to make a script, you need to have like simple knowledge, like what are the functions that I can use in NC. But if you have used Python and you have installed the suggestions for Python, whenever you type 2 or 3 different lines of a command that you can use, all the suggestions are appearing in the bottom. So that kind of facility is there. So now I am going to teach you how to install that facility. So it will be easier when you are creating a script. It will be easier. You don't need to remember. Whenever I need to use like to print a variable, the command is simple print. You can type capital print var summary. So this might give you an error. So you have to keep in your mind. You should type print capital var capital and summary like this. So you have to recall in your brain every time. Whenever you need to print a variable, you have to type just like this. You cannot do any modification to the letters. Instead of memorizing this one, you can type print. Then it will suggest all the print command that you can use in the NC. So you will see. So you have to download this file. I will send you the file into the WeChat group. Then you can download. It's just 19 MB. So I will send this file into the WeChat group. You can download like here they saying like Windows 1. You have to download Windows 1. Here you have two options, one for Windows and one for Mac. Here you can see this one is for Mac users, this one is for Windows. So you have to go with the Windows user 19.31, this one, the first one. And then there you have options. What is the version that you are going to use? Here you have to find the latest one. 41.53, this one. 19.5. Yeah, taking the first one, this one. Yeah, it's the same.
So we download for me, right?
Yeah. Or you can download the file that I sent to WeChat. It's already there. WeChat. Now we are going to set up the code editor with the suggestions enabled. So it will be much easier to type this. So if you guys have downloaded that file, you have to extract this file. I will copy this one into a location. And this one inside. So you have to download this one and extract. When you are extracting, it will requesting you a password for password. You can type 123. The password is 123. And it will be extracted like this.
How do you know the password? Did you know it?
Because in the website they are mentioning. It will ask for a password and use the password 123. See, the zip file password is 123. Yeah, you can paste it anywhere and then you have to extract. Extract that zip file. Yeah. Yeah, first you need to install the setup. Just first you need to install the setup. Don't go for the track, just install the setup. So first double click it and install it. Yeah. Now you need to click next. Even if you need to add this one into your Windows, this menu, you can put this tick mark and click next and install. This just install this file and finish. Do not open that one because we need to use the cracked one. So after installing, you need to go into this cracked folder and copy this one. Just copy this file. Copy. Yeah, just copy. Don't open it, just copy. Then here type Sublime. Then it will be appear Sublime app. Here you have the option to open the file location. See? Press here and open the file location. In here also we have the shortcut. So here also you have to right click and open file location.
Let me go fast. Okay, so then you go to craft.
Yeah, crack and copy that file.
Then you go to
Copy that crack file. You need to copy this one. Inside the crack folder, you need to copy this one and then type for Sublime. And it will appear as app. Then you need to open the file location. After that, you have to right click in this one also. There's a name Sublime. You need to right click this one and open the file location.
I will take this one.
No, you have to open this file location. After opening, you have to paste that copied file over to this place, this location. Now it will ask like replace the file in the destination and hit yes. And continue. So now you have installed the cracked version of Sublime. Yeah, right click and find location. Here also you need to right click and open file location. After that, you have to paste the copied cracked file into here. Then it will ask for the replacing.
Submits file location of the so now you can open that. Yeah, I think you can open the. Okay, also you have to right click this one. Okay, location and to extract yes. Open the right. Open. So now you have responsible for it. But we should make it all yes. Yes, right.
If you have installed that one, you can run Sublime. It's just like the text editor, normal text editor like Sublime, Notepad++, and it's similar.
So this one is the same like the Notepad.
Yeah, it's similar. It's just a code editor. In Windows also we have Vim, Nano, like those kind of softwares. In Windows we have Notepad, Notepad++, VS Code, and this one, the Sublime Text. We have different type of code editors. But I choose this one is because especially when we are typing NCL scripts, what you have seen, if we type P, if we just type P in our script, then it will suggest us all the commands that are starting from P. So it will be much easier for us. So what are the print commands that we can use? It will suggest all the print commands in the list. Whenever we select one command, it will suggest how many variables we should need to pass into this print command.
Yes.
To work. So it will be much easier. So to do this thing, we need to install Sublime. It's the easiest thing that we can do for the NCL. So you guys can check NCL Sublime. Just type something like that, then it will pop up. Or the text editor. Here you have the text editor. So here we have text editor enhancement. So whenever we type commands, these are all the text editors that we can use in NCL. So if we go here, they are already listed. What kind of text editors that we can use? See, here we have the known ones like Notepad++, Sublime Text, then VI, Vim. So here we have the commands how to modify these things. If you go to the Sublime, it's the easiest one. Here they mention. So here I think it's also a Chinese professor. Here make us this one easier. So see now even the script is look like much familiar. See, everything will be colored. Whenever you type this script in Notepad++, you didn't see a colored script.
Yes.
So now every command is colored. So you can clearly see here when you make an import, it will appear in the red color. So if you are inputting some files, it will be within double importation and the files are highlighted in the yellow color. So it will be much more clear to you guys. So let me show. You can copy one example script from here. Just go to the example. Just copy one simple example. Anomalies or this example. I will copy this script and I will try to save this one in the Sublime. So where is Sublime? Sublime Text. So now if I paste this code in my Sublime, it's not showing that thing. See, nothing appears like that. So even if I need to type new command, so here they have imported some TS variable. If I need to import another thing like precipitation data, we have to download the precipitation data. Is in the inside in this file, and we need to import this data, and the original file name is PRE or something. Then we need to type. See, I need to type all the things. I need to type entire command. There's no any suggestion. So even when I save this command, I can save the same command and show you the different. I will save this command in the desktop, sample.ncl. Whenever you are saving the NCL script, at the end you have to type .ncl. So I will save as NCL. So right now we didn't have those color apps.
Don't have good colors.
Good colors. So to have that thing, we have to do some several things in here. So you guys can go back to the NCL enhancements, and after that, you can, I will type NCL, just type NCL Sublime. Then the library is available in here. Sublime. Under the Sublime here is showing NCL package control. This is the package that we have need to install inside the Sublime to work that thing. So we don't need to download anything. We just need to run some commands. I don't know why this presentation is not. We can go to original video. So this one. To do this one, we have to install the package controller first. So we can use these two commands. You guys have to follow these steps. Because we already installed the Sublime. After that, we need to install package control and then install the NCL package using the package control. Then our commands will be colored and all the suggestions will be there. So now we need to install the command center. So for that thing, you need to open your Sublime text editor first. First, you will need to open the Sublime. Whenever update command prompt appear, don't press update. Just cancel it because we are using the cracked version of Sublime. If you update, the crack will be gold. It will be saying like unregistered, something like that. So here, to do this one, to open the command palette, we need to press Ctrl Shift P, or else we can go to Tools, Install Package Control. For that, we need to go into the Sublime, here Tools, and install package control. Yeah. So it will say package control was successfully installed. So after saying this, you have to go to the tools and then the package control. Now I already installed. Previously it's appearing like tools, package control. There's the button right after the tools. It's saying package control. It will take some time. After you click it, it will take some time for there. After some time, it will say, you already installed. That's why you can see. After install, you will see package control already installed. No. Oh, I need price. Yeah, it will be appeared as developer. After, if you install it correctly, it will appear as developer when you go back again to that thing. So now we need to install that one. You guys are reading here? So success. If you guys install the package controller correctly, then we need to install the package for the NCL. So you can press OK. After that, I will go back to the browser and they clearly mention the package, how you can install this one. So after installing the package control, then you have to install NCL package to package control. For this one, you need to go to click on Tools Command Palette, or you can type Control Shift P. So when you go to Sublime, here we need to go to Tools, then Command Palette. At the top, you can see. So you guys can follow this. You already installed it? Whenever you download, so okay, so now you need to open the command palette. After opening the command palette, you have to type install package and then wait the completion on the load, and after you have to type NCL. So now you need to go back here and type tools command palette. Press here. So now it comes. So now you need to install package. So now you will see the first one, install package. You have to click that one. You don't need to type everything. You need to press here. Install package, and now you have to wait. After you click here, now you have to wait without doing anything. Because here you can see loading goes very something here in the right, the bottom corner. So you have to wait till it loads. You can see there are something happening in your footage. Loading that you can yeah, if you come some, if you appear something, then you can type. After that, this kind of window will appear after some time. You have to wait till this window appears. Then you can type NCL. Once type NCL, yeah. Then you will see that package you need to install to appear all the commands and the suggestions. You can type NCL. See the first one? Yeah, you have to choose the first one, not the open NCL. Just click it. It will take some time. This kind of window will appear after you click that. So now your NCL thing is installed. Suggestion package is installed. It will automatically load. So if you guys see this one now, it's completely okay. So if I open that previously saved NCL package, I saved it in desktop, I guess. Let's modify this one. If I open this one, now you can see script is colored. So that means suggestions are enabled. If whenever I type like print, now I don't need to remember all the things. See, if I type PR, it will show me all the commands that begins with PR. That which you can use in NCL. See, print table, print clock, print var summary, print min-max, all the commands are here. So you don't need to remember in your mind, you have to print code. Whenever, if I need to print minimum, maximum, I have to use print min-max, and both them should be capital. That thing you need to be keep in your mind. But right now you don't need to keep in your mind. I didn't send you any file right now. You have to read because we just set up everything. I just showed you that whenever you can open the new browser. First you need to open, whenever you need to type NCL script, what you have to do is like, you have to close this one. I will close this one. You can open new file. Already the new file is created. So you have to save this file first. You have to save this one first. So now if you need to save, you can save this script anywhere. Whatever folder you like, you have to give it a name. Just type like sample script, sample.ncl. At the last, you have to put .ncl. Because you know, when a Python command, how we can identify Python command. At the end of the file name, we will see P1. How you find the CSV file, .csv. At the end, we will see at CSV. So, same like that, if it is a NCL script, after we see .ncl. Yes. So we need to specify that this file is a NCL file. So we need to save that file first by naming sample NCL sample.ncl. So it will ask because I already previously created a file. Now you can type. See, these are the commands that you can use in the NCL. Because now the Sublime knows this file is a NCL file. So it will load all the suggestions for the NCL. So these commands I will explain you in the upcoming classes. Because we have a lot of commands that we can use. If you go to the NCL website, you will see we have tons of commands that we can use in NCL. Here we can go to the function. If we go to the functions, these are all the functions that we can use in NCL. These are all the functions that we can use in NCL. And you can see and you can keep scrolling. There are a lot of functions. So these all the functions that we can use when we are writing the function. Yes. Now you can go to NCA. So wherever you are going to say apply you have open NCL. So if you have applied you can apply for the extension. Now, if what is so James,
So, Dinesh, I see you because it is not this way.
Okay, we can.
I'm not sure if prevent him.
Maybe we can check it.
We can check it. So maybe late night, through maybe 2022, 04, 09, 010 or what time.
Anytime is okay. We can go directly to my ship and complete the installation. It doesn't take that
I
much.
need to eat first. Yes.
You can give your PC to me so I can do the installation.
Thank you for your
I will see you once you.
Thank you very much. You did well.
Because now your life is much easier. You have budgets and your installation is okay. Now you need to understand how to input the file, how to process the file, and how to do the display part. It's easy. There are a lot of tutorials for that. It's because check
No, the installation is over.
yeah. So
No more installation.
reward code expired.
Now tomorrow we can go ahead and resume.
Yeah. So we have finished the class. Thank you guys who have attended online. But the problem is I don't know whether you guys have any questions or not. Guys who are attending online.
But they don't ask. You forget to put the question in the tab.
Okay.